What's up, y'all? So we got a couple updates going on. First, we're in a different shirt. Also, we got a lot of stuff installed. We got welded diff. I don't have any footage of that, but trust me, it's welded. Bitch is solid. I'll try to throw in a picture right here. What else? We got our fancy radiator fan and shroud on, but there is a bit of an issue. Kind of hitting this water pump pulley right here. So specifically this, the snout of it where the mechanical one used to go. So I may try and see if I can shave that down or do something. Yeah, I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but we'll figure something out. So we're either gonna grind that down or we're gonna modify that, or both. So who knows? But before that, Rudy's fucking me out. Thing is sounding and running great. All right, so what we got going on now, we're gonna try and eyeball some different holes, something that moves it, I guess in reference to the water pump pulley, seeing as we don't want to cut that because I don't know how that shaft operates. We'll move it down and out just a little bit. So see if that will help out. We're still gonna keep the original holes, but we're gonna try and see if we can eyeball something, see if we can get it working a little bit better. So here we go. Alright, so in the first of anything ever in human history, the first try actually works pretty damn well. So let's see if we can get this back into place. Sit there, let's sit like that. So with it sitting like this, we got more than enough clearance for everything that we need. We can route our wiring back, but there should be no contact between anything important that we got going on here. So I'd call that a damn win. So one thing I will do, I'm gonna bolt it up, get this pretty much in place to where I want it to be at for like final mount, and then I'm going to see how much space I have then, because I want to make sure that this thing, whenever it's in its last place, that's where it's going to be at. We don't have to worry about anything else shaking it or jarring it or doing some other weird stuff to it later on. So it's really important that we do that, just so I don't get out there to the event and like blow up and be like laughing stock and have to go get my other car. So hopefully this is the last time we mess with it. Once I finish drilling the other holes, and we should be good. So after that, we can mount our coolant thing. I'm not really sure what BMW calls this, but we're gonna mount it. And yeah, most of the engine work should be done. Then we can start moving on to cleaning up this interior. And not necessarily actually cleaning, but just getting all the fucking wiring out of the way of this. Hold on, I'm trying to turn off this house. Yeah, so we want to try to see if we can clean up some of this wiring, because right now it's almost undrivable. It's ugly as all get out, and it really doesn't serve a purpose. So as soon as we can clean up all the wiring, everything else will pretty much fall in place. This thing will be 100% ready to go, and it's very minimum. I do want to do some angle mods, but if we can't get to that, it's whatever. At the very least, got to get that cooling system right. Got to get this wiring cleaned up.
DJ, what you doing?
Trying to not mess up this M50.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck the club up.
No.
Fuck the club up.
No.
Tell the club up, tell the club up.
Yeet, yeet, yeet. And look at DJ. Oh, that's the lumens. Yeet.
This is like the first Suicide Boy song I listened to back in like 2015. That's when my life started going downhill.
Same. Mine was Kill Yourself Part 3 though. People, do not kill yourself. If you are feeling emotional distress and or you feel like you are not going anywhere in life, please get emotional help from a psychiatrist or family members or your friends. Be cool about that, because mental health is great, because a lot of people dying. Anywho, I'm probably gonna die by this, because 5 pounds on this freaking engine wants to send me sideways. That's not normal. Also, I have bad tires. Don't beat me. Oh, what are you? There's a toad. There's all these little toadies around my house. And snakes. And my little cat, Casca. But back over here to DJ, as he tries to figure out why his BMW is not seating this water pump properly.
Well, it's not seeing me. I was just trying to find the bolts for it.
You lost the bolts?
No. Bolts are right here.
He lost the bolts. You lost the bolts?
No.
Are they in your hand?
Yes.
Show me. Show me what you got here. Well, we're gonna get this on, and hopefully well, it already runs.
We're just trying to keep it running.
Keep it running so it doesn't El Explodo and do like the same thing the other head did, which was nuke itself with a fine textured crack.
That wasn't even a fine textured crack. That bitch was that bitch was out there.
Yoit!
Pretty much.
Well, anywho, we're gonna get this done, and sooner or later, I hope he puts some tires on before I leave so I can see this thing do a burnout in my yard.
Right. Well, I plan on going to get tires tomorrow.
Hey!
So, I'm gonna need those doo-doos you got.
So he's gonna be running with them Z31 wheels, a factory.
Well, it's 15s or 16s.
I think they're 15, 16. I'm not sure. Honestly, I forget. It's been so long since I've had a 5-lug car that I don't even care anymore.
Jesus Christ.
5 lugs for pussies.
Nah, it's for real niggas.
Real niggas who sleep in freaking women's underwear.
Comfort is comfort. Don't hate, because you're not as fancy as we are. You pheasant.
I don't own a
base
model Mustang GT 50 or a Corvette or anything base model muscle. So yeah, no, this does not work for me.
The pheasant gang.
It's a real thing. Please be warned. Don't run up on them. They're crazy.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back again. Got the Mustang right here. So today, what we're gonna do some last minute prep things for the E36 before we get ready to go to iTrack Motorsports Summer School Drift Clinic. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a great event. 21 hours of drifting. I think 101 drivers signed up. So what we're doing today, shout out 1320 videos playing in the background. We are going to adjust our hand brake. So pretty much what's going on, I was testing it out. I didn't get too much of a positive lock from this from the handbrake. So what we're gonna do is, and I may not be able to actually show you with this just because it's kind of in there, but just trust me. There's a little wheel in there that you turn to try and tighten up or close the distance between the brake drum shoes, the rear brake disc / drum shoes, and the actual brake disc / drum itself. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn that wheel, move it closer together. Hopefully, when we do pull our handbrake, after just our cables and stuff, it should be a lot more positive of a pull. So pretty much when we pull it, it should lock and lock hard. So let's see if we can get it done. All right, yeah, so I wish I could have got this a little bit better, but it's kind of difficult to record. So next time, or on the other side, I'm gonna try and see if I can get it for you, but it's pretty straightforward, kinda. So if you're doing this to your E36, if you're on the driver's side, once you get your screwdriver in there and your handbrake is too loose, you want to flick the wheel towards the back of the car, and if you need to loosen it, you need to rotate it towards the front. It's kind of relative because that's kind of back, but it's also up, and this is kind of front to almost down. But oh yeah, on the driver's side, on the US driver's side or the left side of the car, if you need to tighten it, go that way. So on the other side, if you need to tighten it, go towards the front. So yeah, blam. Oh, shout out to Max Speeding Rods for the $100 coilovers with dampening adjustment. They ride great. I'm really surprised. All right, so now that we're on the other side, I might be able to let you see a better picture. So let's see. Hold on, we can do this. Bam. All right, yeah, that's a lot better. So we're gonna do now, I'm gonna rotate the hub, and there we go. That was a real fart. So if you can see in there, this is a little star looking little knob thing. That's the thing that you want to turn in order to tighten this sucker up right here. Once you do that, you're gonna tighten it all the way, tighten the adjuster all the way so that you can so that you can't move the hub. And once you do that, you're gonna back off until it is just free. So let's see if we can do that. So remember, if you're on the driver's side or the left side of the car, you're gonna try and rotate it towards the back to loosen it. And if you're on the right side of the car, you want to rotate it towards the front of the car. So let's see if we can do it. I'm probably gonna have to cut it right here since Rudy is off doing military things, and I only have 2 arms right now. So